to Rise Up Summer Camp. Come on in. And stop right there. I'm going to take your temperature.
With summer
And
camp
perfect.
approaching soon, we know how important it is for you to have 100% confidence and trust that your child is in a safe environment at all times, an environment that you feel confident and comfortable sending your child to. There are many choices in the Pascack Valley region, so we invite you to choose the best, and that is Rise Up, the best summer camp in Pascack Valley. Here at Rise Up, we are taking all precautions to keep our schools safe and germ-free. We are proud to partner with leading organizations using the newest and most powerful disinfecting and sanitizing solutions in our school to ensure your child's health. From providing germ-killing air purification systems, UV lighting known to kill viruses, and using medical-grade deep cleaning methods, we guarantee the safest, cleanest, and healthiest environment for you and your child. We invite you to join us in moving forward together the new way, the safe way, the Rise Up way. To learn more about our summer camp, after-school program, and martial arts classes, click on the links below. Thank you, and we look forward to connecting with you soon.